It's Racoon here from RacoonsCorner.com, here with a new unboxing video. Today I will be unboxing a Logitech Mk360 wireless keyboard that I picked up at my local Radio Shack. Now before I go ahead here and unbox this keyboard, I would like to read off the features. It has a reliable wireless receiver that controls up to 6 devices, and it has a 36-month battery life, which is 3 years, which is pretty cool. It has a compact, space-saving design. I like that. And it has framed keys for your modern setup, which is pretty cool, and this is again what it looks like. Let's go ahead here and see the back. Now let's go ahead here and open this up, show you what it looks like. I'm actually pretty pumped up. Alright, here we go. Make sure you can see me unboxing this. Fail, can't even grab it. That's what she said. Haha. Okay. Here we go. Wow! And there it is. Let me back this up so you can see. It looks beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Really can't wait to try this out. But I'm not done yet. No, I am not. Oh yeah, here we go. I'm just too excited trying to go at it, you know? There we go, I finally got it. And there you go. This is what the keyboard looks like. It looks really nice. And there you have it. If you like this video, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Please click that like button or thumbs up button. Follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/RacoonTech. Visit RacoonsCorner.com. And check me out on Facebook.com/RacoonsCorner. And again, subscribe if you have not, please. I appreciate that as well. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, I just realized that I forgot to show what else was in the box, and I'm sorry about that. This is what else was in the box. And then another piece of paper. Another piece of paper. And then it came with the wireless receiver.